Hello everyone, it's Lindsay and it's the beginning of the month, which means time for new kits and new goodies. So today we are looking at the May Faith Art box from Creative Retreat Kits. This is Prayers of Boldness by Caitlin Wernett. I believe Caitlin has written for their kits before in the past, if I remember correctly. So this month we are going to be talking about being bold and praying bold prayers and what that means and what that looks like. So you've got your devotional card that comes in the kit this month. Love the fun graphics for this month. They are super cute. Wait till you see the extra goodies. But you've got your devotional content from Caitlin. You've got a little bit of information about Caitlin if you're wondering about that. She does have several verses up here. So we are going to be talking about asking him, seeking him, knocking on his door. So, you kind of think about that verse and what that looks like, but there are plenty of extra verses to study and to reflect on and to look at this month, which I am excited about. Over here is your reflection section. You've got 5 reflection type prompts. So prompts about the topic, prompts to get you focusing on the devotional content and what we talked about and that kind of thing. So lots of options for that. If you want to maybe do one a week, a couple a week, sit down and do all of them in one sitting. I love the flexibility of the Creative Retreat Faith Art boxes because they are pretty short little devotionals, but there's always enough content in here that you can really dig in and study this throughout the entire month, or you can go through it really quickly depending on what your schedule is and what you're looking for. On the back side here is just the printed cardstock. So I like to use this when I'm done going through the devotional content to punch out tabs, to create mini book covers, tip-ins, use it as inspiration for a background of a page, lots of different things that you can use this for there. So Prayers of Boldness, that's what we were talking about this month. And one of the fun little goodies that we get is instead of doing the bow clippies, we are getting enamel shapes this month. And instead of hearts or circles, we are getting stars. So there's a mix of stars and some smaller circles. These are the colors of the kit this month, kind of a deeper blue, a bluish gray, this kind of apricot color, a salmon pink, and then like a mint blue-green, more green color there. So I love that this is different than anything that I have in my stash. I don't have any star enamel shapes, so that is really fun to play with. And I love that they're colors that coordinate with the kit. So there's that. Here is your 3x4 stamp set. So you've got those big ask, seek, knock phrases. You've got pray big, on, dear. I love this because I do tons and tons of prayer journaling in my Bible journaling. That's kind of what I do the most of now. So I can do Dear Jesus or Dear God. I have some of my past Creative Retreat kits, stamp sets that have, the word Jesus or something like that I can mix and match with this month's. And then this fun hand-lettered amen at the end of prayer. So I think this is a stamp set that, again, you'll be able to get a lot of use out of. You've got, so on your knees, my, and look up. So you can kind of rearrange the phrases to create your own titles and things like that. You've got this fun arrow and then these little succulent pieces. So cute. So you could use the succulent pieces and kind of recreate this little hanging succulent planner if you wanted to do that. It would be very simple to just take a ruler, draw in that geometric shape, and then stamp in your succulents. So really love the feel of the stamp set this month. And again, I think it's one that you're going to get a lot of use out of. So there is that. Next up are the cardstock stickers. So we've got Tile Alpha. So you get one in mint, one in pink, plenty of each letter and numbers and punctuation and hearts. I love the uppercase typewriter font. I'm a sucker for Tile Alphas. They're one of my favorites. So love this one. And then here is a look at this sheet of cardstock stickers. You've got your word fetty, again, different words that go along with the devotional content. Be bold, pray big, seek, knock, or ask, seek, knock. Here's my prayers, on my knees. So different ways that you can rearrange those. Of course, we've got the wonky hearts and the little circles with hearts. You've got your little succulent pieces. Love this giant succulent sticker there. It's fun little potted cactus. answered prayers, and unanswered prayers. So that might be fun if you're doing some prayer journaling. So a list of answered prayers, a list of unanswered prayers. I really love that. That's really different. God is bigger, and then a pray tab. I love the hand lettered feel of the stickers this month. So there is a look at everything that comes in the Faith Art Box. Definitely check out the corresponding blog post because I will have swatches of all the different products that I pulled to coordinate with this kit, including Creative Retreat inks. They have a few new inks in the shop. So I put together some swatches of things that will match the colors of the kit this month. So I have an affiliate link down below if you want to order the kit for this month. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Be sure to also subscribe to the Creative Retreat YouTube channel. I will link that down below. That is where myself and several other ladies from the creative team post videos twice a month over there. So there is tons of content for you guys to check out. And until next time, thank you so much. Bye-bye.